Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove background noise in OBS Studio in 2026. If your microphone recording contains sounds like a computer fan, air conditioner, keyboard, mouse clicks, or other constant background noise, OBS Studio provides several tools that can help make your voice cleaner. First, open OBS Studio and locate the audio mixer at the bottom of the window. Find your microphone source, then right-click it and select Filters. In the Audio Filters window, click the plus button under Audio Filters. One of the most useful options for background noise is noise suppression. Select noise suppression and give the filter a clear name. OBS may offer different suppression methods depending on your system and version. Choose an appropriate option and start with the default or recommended settings. Now speak into your microphone while watching the audio mixer. The goal is to reduce background noise without making your voice sound distorted or unnatural. If you still hear unwanted sounds when you're not speaking, you can also add a noise gate. This filter keeps the microphone quieter when your voice falls below a certain level. After adding the noise gate, adjust the thresholds carefully. If the threshold is too high, the beginning or end of your words may be cut off. If it's too low, background noise may still be audible. You can also add a compressor to make your voice more consistent. This is especially useful if your microphone volume changes significantly when you move closer to or farther away from the microphone. Another useful filter is the limiter. It can prevent sudden loud sounds from becoming excessively loud during your recording or live stream. Remember that software filters cannot remove every type of background noise perfectly. The best results usually come from improving the microphone position and recording environment as well. For example, keep the microphone reasonably close to your mouth, avoid placing it directly beside a noisy fan, and reduce unnecessary sounds in the room. After adjusting the filters, make a short test recording. Listen carefully with headphones and check whether your voice remains natural while the background noise is reduced. If your voice sounds robotic, muffled, or distorted, reduce the strength of the noise suppression or remove unnecessary filters. And that's how to remove background noise in OBS Studio in 2026.